appreciate the opportunity to do this. Derby City Camaro Club is probably the newest club in the area, just coming up on 2 years old, but we did actually have a member that we lost this past February, Bobby Sullivan. Had a beautiful 67 convertible that he was in the process of restoring, and a 2010 5th Gen SS sitting down here on the road. So what we wanted to do, we wanted to remember Bobby. I have with him his wife Dolores and Bobby Jr. that they went out and they picked the Camaro that they wanted to give this trophy to, and they chose Roy Rose, number 34, with his 2010 Camaro SSRS. And we appreciate the opportunity to be involved in this.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.